So in today's video, I'll explain how to use and how the auto empty dustbin works on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. For it to work, you'll need to have a dust bug installed in your charging station, and then you will be able to use it by either clicking on dock and clicking on empty, which will automatically you manually trigger doing so that way. Or in the dock, you could click on the settings in the top right corner, and then you could go to the empty dustbin auto empty frequency, and it can be set to off, so you need to empty it manually by either taking the dustbin out and emptying, or manually trigger auto empty, which will empty it into the dust bag, but you need to trigger it manually. You can also set it to balanced, which will automatically empty after a cleanup, and high, which will return to the dock to empty during cleaning, and it's suitable for homes with pets or several car pets. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.